Welcome to free Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor. And in today's lecture, we'll see some more example on Newton's law. And okay, we are not going to see some different type of question, and it is just practice. Okay, it is just for practice. You feel comfortable in this. Today we will not learn anything new. Okay, guys, we just practice. Okay, because till now the concept becomes slightly difficult for you, so a lot of practice is necessary. So we see various type of question and how to establish our three fundamental steps. First is drawing free body diagram, then try to stabilize acceleration between the bodies, and then write down the equation. Okay guys, so it is very simple. So okay, so what let me write down the question. Okay, you can see, yeah, in whole copy till here. Okay, let me mark it down so that I know. Yeah, it clear visible to you. Okay, listen, this is a support. This is just support. It may be some wall, whatever, table, whatever you want to say. And here, yeah, yeah, here, this is a pulley, and this is a mass of 1 kg. Okay guys, and this is mass of 2 kg. 2 kg, and this is string. Okay, so question here is find acceleration in of 2 kg block, second 1 kg block, third tension in string, तीसरा net force apply by support on pulley. Okay, net force applied by support on pulley. Okay, these are the question. Find acceleration of 2 kg block, 1 kg block, tension in string, and net force apply. Okay, and what is the general things which we have to given in the question is string is inextensible. String is inextensible. First thing, and second is massless pulley. Okay, string is massless, and about pulley, it is that it is massless and frictionless. Okay guys, frictionless. Okay, so we had to find there are three fundamentals. Okay, so now these things are given in the question. Now we are going to solve the question, guys. There are three fundamental step. What is the first step is try to stabilize acceleration relationship acceleration relationship. Okay, between connected body this is okay, connected body. Second is try to stabilize acceleration relationship, then draw free body diagram. You can switch between first and two. Draw free body diagram. And third is writing down equation. Okay, which type of equation? Newton's law. Writing down Newton's law equation. Okay, So you can switch between first and second. Okay. So I think I had this for this question. I had give you enough concept. So now I'm going to switch this my as a first step. Okay. And if you are not comfortable in finding relationship, then you should draw. You should do this as your first step. Okay, guys. Okay. What is the fundamental, guys? I suggest you don't try to memorize the things, okay? Especially in physics. Even you should not try to memorize the formulas, memorize the what should be the relation. Okay, guys. Use your geometry, whatever you had read, study in class 9th and class 10th. Okay, you should use the geometry to solve the question. Or this question can be solved by simple geometry of line. Okay, that okay, simple geometry of lines. Okay, guys, so be comfortable, don't afraid with these things. Okay. Okay, so let's start see how geometry of line is going to help this to solve this question. Okay, you should follow all these steps. Okay, when you are solving the question, when you are doing training. Okay, guys, after this, when you train on these things, then you could make your own a shortcut, your own trick, your own observation. Okay, so do these things. Okay, so this is 1 kg block and this is the string, it is attached here, and this is 2 kg, 2 kg, and this is string. Okay, guys, let's suppose this has moved by amount x. Okay, this end has moved by amount x, so everything will move by amount x, same amount x. Okay, by same amount x. So listen, let me give you some clear. This length is L1. Let me suppose this length is L1, and this from here to here, this is L2. So what is the length? L1 plus L2. Okay, guys, what is the length? L1 plus L2 is length of string. My string is inextensible, so this length remain constant. So this length remain constant. Okay, it is simple. Now since this portion, this 1 kg block has moved by amount x, 1 kg block has moved by amount x, this is x, so this will also move by amount x. Okay, guys, so now your string, listen, initial string is here, the string is tied at this point. Now string tie point reached here. Okay, so what should be this length? This length should be L. Listen, this length is x, this length is L1, so what should be this length? L1 minus x. So it is quite simple, very simple to calculate. Okay, use your geometry, use your concept of line. Okay, okay, guys, listen, what can you think if I'm going to draw? If you are not comfortable how to use geometry, listen, this is a line. This portion, look, between this and this is pulley, this look like line. Okay, this is line. Okay, now initially the point is here, initially this length is L1. Now what happened? This point has come here, and how much it had moved? By amount x. So what should be this length? L1 minus x. Okay, so it is very simple to calculate. If you are not feeling comfortable in calculating this, it is very simple to calculate. Okay, guys, so this will be L1 minus x. Okay, now let's suppose this 2 kg block has moved downward by amount y, so it is somewhere here. Okay, so listen, what is this length? This length is L2. What will be this length? Y. So what will be total length? L2 plus y. So L2 plus y. Okay, and since this is the total length, this should be the total length of a string, which is L and which is constant. If you see this carefully, what you get? Minus x plus y is equal to 0, x is equal to y. Okay, so you just have to think how I had done it. Okay, and this is a simple question, and if you are good guy, for good guys, this is the very simple. Then they also do practice on it, okay, because in difficult question they may commit mistake. And I am till now, right now I am showing a simple question. In future your question will become very difficult, very complex, okay. So on that time it is very difficult to establish relationship like this, okay. So you should practice. If it is simple, if you are brilliant guy, if you could understand this by seeing the question, you should do follow the steps, okay. And if you are weak, if you are not able to do it, then you should try. You should try to geometry of line. You will able to solve this, okay. So this is x y. Now if you had learned about motion acceleration, you know about acceleration, what can I write? Okay guys, who had traveled by amount x, who had traveled by amount x, this 1 kg block, okay. Who had traveled amount y, this 2 kg block. Who had traveled y, this 2 kg block, okay guys. So this is the acceleration of 1, this is the acceleration of 2. You see, acceleration of 1 kg block is equal to acceleration of 2 kg block, okay guys. Okay, what, and you should feel comfortable with this expression, okay. These are this very simple expression. So guys, now okay, it's not a problem. Actually I had said that I am going to do this my first step now. Actually I am have it, and I had I had started doing finding a relationship, okay. Okay, it's not a problem, okay. So a1 is equal to a2. Now, okay, so this is a1 is equal to a2. This a1 should be equal to a2. So these things are very simple to establish. You can do it by yourself. A1 is equal to a2, okay. Now listen, I am going to solve this, okay. Now I am going to draw freeboard diagram, okay. This is the important steps. Now this is my string, okay. This is 1 kg block. I should draw freeboard diagram for 1 kg block. This is 1g, okay. This is n1. You should feel comfort. You should know why t1. How you should know it, how I had do it, okay. Here, who had applied this, who had applied this, you should know who had applied this. If you know this answer, it's good for you. If you do not know who had applied this, you should work on yourself. Who had applied this, okay. Okay, this is for 1 kg block. Now for 2 kg block, this is 2g. This is not scam 2g. This is t2, okay. Now we should go for string, okay. String. Now if I am going to draw freeboard diagram for string, I should cut this string here. Okay. So this is, I have cut this string here, okay. Why okay, think about it. I cut this string here and cut this string here. What I get? This is t1, this is t1, okay. This is t2, this is t2, okay. Back, why this t1, this, if this is t1 then this should be t1. Why? You should know it. Why it is so. You should again here, if this is t2, this must be t2. Why? So Okay, you should know why this is, why it is so. This is T2, this, if this is T2, this must be T2. You should know it why. Okay, now, and one of the important freeboard diagram is freeboard diagram of pulley. Okay, and 2. Why? This is your homework. Do it by yourself. Okay, guys. Why it is so? This is your homework. Do it by yourself. Okay. Okay. Now, this is T1 should be equal to T2. Why? Hint, rotation. Okay. Pulley is massless and massless pulley. Hint, rotation and massless pulley. Okay. You should know all of these things. Okay. So now, guys, I had dropped the freeboard diagram. You should check it. I had dropped the freeboard diagram for all of these things. Now, I'm going to write down the equation. Okay. So listen. T1 is equal to 1 into A. Okay. 2G minus T2 is equal to 2 into A. Okay. 2G is equal to 3A. A is equal to 2G by 3. Okay. You should know. Solve it by yourself. Okay. Yourself. Okay, guys. If you are not able to find this, solve it by yourself. It's very simple. Okay. Now, guys, if you do practice, you see the question and write down this equation. And this such type of question never come in your examination. It's very simple. Okay, but we are giving time on these questions because we want to learn the things. Okay, how to encounter difficult questions which come in examination, which and which related type will come in examination. Okay. Okay, I had find acceleration. So acceleration of 1 kg block is equal to 2g by 3. Acceleration of 2 kg block is equal to 2g by 3. Tension tension string is equal to 2g by 3. Okay, and normal reaction, normal and force, and net force apply by pulley, by support on pulley, on pulley. This should be equal to 2g by 3 into root 2. 2g by 3 into root 2 brackets y. Okay, what is the hint? I am going to hint here. Think about forces on pulley, force on pulley, and acceleration is equal to 0. You should do it by yourself. You should do this by yourself. Okay guys, think about acceleration of this pulley okay is 0, because this pulley is not moving in this direction, 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 in that direction, in any direction. Okay, so what should be acceleration should be 0. Okay, but this pulley is rotating, you know. Here you will learn more about this pulley, what it means when I say this pulley is not rotating but its acceleration is 0. This pulley is rotating but its acceleration is 0. What it means? Okay, so it should be confused. If you are confusing by thinking that is this pulley is rotating, it should be have some centripetal acceleration, but I had here said that its acceleration is 0. How it may possible, etc., etc. This confusion is necessary. You will get your answer in rotation. Okay guys, okay. So we had solved all the question. You had some confusion, and do it by yourself if some confusion had come in your mind. Okay, take help of your friend. Now we are going, I am going to give some another question to you like this. One kg, 2 kg, and this is 1 kg. Okay, and this is 1 kg. So find T1 and T2. First question. Second is acceleration of 2 kg block. Third is T3. Okay, third is T3. Okay guys, so okay, so here, you know, here there are three. Here again we had 3 fundamental steps. We had 3. We should draw the favor diagram, trying to find out acceleration, and then you should do it. Okay, this is your homework. I am just giving this answer. Okay, homework. I am just giving this answer. Look, since I am much bigger than you, I had solved this question so many times. Okay, such type of question, and I had created my some simple concept. Okay, and you will do by you could you will create your own concept, your own shortcut, your own tricks. Okay, so I am not going to tell you how to solve this question in tricks. Okay, what I'm just going to write down the answer. What should be this answer is 2g 2g divided by 4. 2g divided by 4 is equal to acceleration of 2 kg block. 2g divided by 4 is equal to acceleration of 2 kg block. Okay, now and then T1 should be equal to and this become g by 2. T1 should be equal to g plus g by 2. Okay guys, okay, and this T2, this should be equal to mg g minus g by 2. This should be equal to g minus g by 2. So T2 is equal to g by 2. So all of these things are, so I had calculated. Okay, it is simple and you can do it by yourself. Okay guys, so this is your, you should do it, you should check the answer. Okay, and you should think how I had done it. It is very simple, and if you are in class 11, for you it may be slightly difficult if you are only seeing in my lecture. And if you had, if you are studying coaching, then you know all this, or you will know these things. Okay, okay guys, okay, so see you next class, next lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.